So let's take a look in a bit more detail at all the documents and tasks that exist within HFM. So we can access all the tasks in the application tasks area of the view pane. We can't change this structure. This has been defined within HFM, and we can see all the particular tasks that we have security access to. Obviously we're an administrator, so we have access to all the types of tasks. So if we look at load application elements, a very commonly used task for administrators who may want to load security, load metadata, load member lists, rules, and so on. And obviously we can load, and we can also extract. So here's the option to extract our application elements. And this is something you'll be doing a lot of during this course. You'll be loading and extracting the application elements that make up the HFM application. Obviously we can close our various types of tasks. And then if we look at the documents, I can go to the Documents tab I've already got opened. How to navigate there? Well, you've got a Documents icon here that you can double click. And bear in mind, you can also use the consolidation menu, where you can just do one click here to select documents. So looking at the types of documents, there's lots of different types of documents. One of the key types of documents we're going to focus in here to is the data forms. The data forms are used by your end users to both review and input data. So here we can see the data for the actuals for a particular year, for a period, for a particular entity, and the user can obviously look at this data and possibly amend data if they had security access to. So one of the key types of documents that you as an administrator will need to build are the data forms. End users cannot build data forms. End users are built by the administrator. But you also have data grids. Data grids allow you to analyze data. They're not used for inputting data, they're more for reviewing data, calculating data, consolidating data, but the end user can build their own data grids. Then we have a number of other documents, and you can see all the types of documents if you click the filters. So you've got custom documents, which are any type of document you might want to load into HFM, like a PDF or an Excel spreadsheet. You've got your data forms, which are for reviewing and inputting data. They're built by you, the administrator. And you've got data grids, which is more of an ad hoc way of looking at the data and gives the user some freedom of defining where dimensions go, whether they're in columns and rows. We've got our intercompany reports and also our journal reports. These are sometimes known as system reports. You can also add links, like a URL link, a related content that relates to embedding financial reports into HFM, and then we've got the task list. And please bear in mind the task list is a document, and when you build your task list you can put all these types of documents within it and any of the tasks that you see over in the application tasks. So obviously the task list is built by us and gives our users a very simple way of navigating through the various documents and tasks that they might need to visit during their month-end submission. So this is just a high-level overview of the different types of tasks and different types of documents that we're going to work with during the course.